In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a front bumper impact absorber on a Nissan Sentra, which is located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and find our way to the front portion of the engine bay. As you can see, we have a plastic cover here. It's supposed to be secured in by some clips. As you can see, ours are missing. We only have one here, and I'll be using a trim tool to remove it. Now you'd want to do the same for all the other clips. And here are the locations. Now I'm going to remove two 10mm bolts. There's one located right here by the hood rod, and one located all the way over here. Quick inspection and set them aside. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the cover up. Set it aside. Now that that covers off, you're going to want to locate these four clips. As you can see, we're missing these two, and then two on the bumper itself. I'll be removing these with a trim tool. Now that the clips are off, look at the top end of your bumper and pull up. Now we're going to go ahead and raise and support our vehicle and go on the far side of the bumper. You'll find three 10mm bolts. I'm going to remove these. Now do the same for the other side. Now that those bolts are off, we can make our way to the front portion of the bumper. You'll find 6 clips. We are missing 2. Now I'll be removing these with the trim tool. Now I'm going to move along to the corner of my bumper. I'm going to turn my wheel so I have a little bit more space to work. Now I'm going to locate my fender liner and bumper. I'll be using a trim tool to separate these. Now that they're separated, you could go and look in the corner and locate a 10mm bolt. You want to remove that. Now simply pull back and pull the corner of the bumper out. You want to release the clips. Now you can see it's free. And repeat for the other side. Quick note, if your vehicle is equipped with fog lights, make sure you undo those connections first before pulling the bumper away. Now that both corners are free, go ahead and make your way to one side of the bumper. You're going to grab the upper portion and the corner and pull. As you can see, it should slide out. Now do the same with the other side. Grab the top and the corner and pull. Now go ahead to the middle and pull away from the vehicle. There it is. Now that the bumper's off, we can go ahead and locate the impact absorber foam. I'll be pulling this out. Go ahead and just pull. And do the same for the other side. set it aside. Now we're going to move along to our 3 12mm nuts. One right here, and one right here. You will have the same 3 on the other side. We're going to do the right side first. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Repeat for the other side. Now before you remove your last nut, put a hand on the bar to ensure it does not fall. Now we could pull and remove the bar. And here's your impact absorber. And now to reinstall our front bumper impact absorber. Gonna go ahead and locate the studs and the mounting holes and slide them through. Make sure it's in place. I'm gonna install these nuts. And repeat the process for the other side. Now that the nuts are installed, I'll be snugging them down using a 12mm. Repeat the process for the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our bumper reinforcement foam. Locate the tabs where they go in. Firmly push in. And do the same for the other side. And now to reinstall our bumper. Be aware of the alignment when you install. So you want to put the corners down. And push in the middle. Line the top tabs and push them down. Now you're going to want to push in the corner clips. Nice tap will do. As you can see now it's all aligned. Now we're going to go ahead and pull our fender liner back to install our 10mm bolt. Make sure it's aligned. And snug it up. Make sure the bumper is secured. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our fender liner. I'll be using a trim tool. Make sure it's fully seated on the inside of the bumper. Repeat for the other side. Now I'll be moving on to my fender liner bolts. I'll be using a 10mm. Just snug them down. You may need to push down from the other side of the fender liner so the bolt reaches. Do the same for the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our splash shield clips. Just put it in and push down. Now we're going to go ahead and install our 6 grill and bumper clips. They're located right here. Simply just insert and push down. and make sure it's secure. Now we could go ahead and reinstall our cover. Make sure to align it with the hood rod and place it over. And now for our clips. And now to reinstall our two 10mm bolts. I'm just going to snug these down. Make sure the cover is secure. And that completes our install. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.